is given better than the original right now. Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alicia if it's your first time here. So in today's video, we are talking about the new Laura Mercier setting powder. So this one is talc free and ultra blurring. So I'm just going to put it to the test and see how I like it in comparison to the regular one. So if you've been watching my channel for a while, you know that the regular Laura Mercier powder is my favorite. If you want to see me apply this powder and hear my first impressions, then of course keep on watching. So in today's video, I have the translucent powder because I wasn't able to get my hand on the honey yet. If I like it, I'm probably going to go and get the honey version because that's the one that I like for the summertime. But let me just read the claims for you. So this is a talc-free loose setting powder that is infused with hyaluronic acid for comfortable up to 16-hour wear and ultra blurring powder. I'm so excited because I absolutely love this powder. So today I'm going to be using this Dior concealer, and this one is in 4W, and I will link everything that I used today down below, so don't worry. But I'm going to go in and just conceal under my eyes real quick. While my concealer sets, I'll just show you. This is the box that it comes in, and this is how the powder looks. The regular Laura Mercier has a dark lid, and this one has this light kind of beige cream colored lid. So I'm going to go ahead and use my damp sponge to blend out the concealer. So now that I have my concealer how I want it, I'm going to take the powder and put it in the top. Now I'll just go in and press it under my under eyes. So I just like to press out any product that might settle under my fine lines before I go in. And then I'm just going to take the powder, I don't have that much, and press it in. By the way, the formula, it feels just the exact same as the other powder. It's very finely milled, lightweight. You literally feel like you're not putting anything on your skin. So I like that. And you guys can see the brightening right away. You guys see the difference? Like right here, you can see how flawless that is. And I only use a little bit compared to the next side. This looks good. It's like literally blurring my under eye area. Seriously. So for my everyday routine, that's pretty much how I do it. But I know a lot of people like baking. So I think for this side of my face, I do want to bake to show you guys how well it works or not, right? So I'm going to do that. Again, just press out any product that has been settling. It's honestly why I love the original powder, because you can use so much product and still not look cakey. So we'll see if this is doing the same thing. I think that's enough to bake. So we'll leave that there. I like to use the powder to set my smile lines. I think it's set long enough, so I'm just going to go ahead and just use the same sponge and kind of press it into my skin. And honestly, I don't see a difference. I do not see a difference. They both look so good. I love the original version of this powder, that's true, but honestly, I'm not even being funny right now. I feel like this one might look a little bit better, because when they say blurring, it's so true. My under eye area looks so smooth. I feel like it looks smoother than I've seen it in a long time. I feel like this looks amazing. I really do. Like, I thought maybe this side would be a little bit different, maybe a little cakey because of how I baked, because I don't like to bake because I don't like to dry out my under eyes. I don't know, but this is beautiful. Like, I just love this powder, but right now this is beautiful. I love it. Like, there's no difference on either side. You know, I'm a little bit tanned up. The fact that I can still use the translucent powder just goes to show you how amazing this powder is. Like, it is just so nice. All right, so I just finished my face quickly. I did not spray any setting spray or anything like that. I just wanted you guys to still see how flawless, how good this looks. It's given better than the original right now. I'm not even lying. Like the claims of being ultra blurring, 100%. 100% it is blurring. I'm getting like this beautiful soft filter under my eyes, and I love it. As far as the price goes, I know a lot of people don't even look at this product because of the price. But let me tell you, you get what, 20 grams of product, but this is gonna last me for at least 1 year. So at least, like, it's definitely worth the price for me. The blurring effect, the fact that I don't have to do too much to get it to work for me, that is the part that's actually really important to me. I don't really like buying products that I have to do too much to let it work for me. This powder, I can use it with the brush, I can use it with the sponge, I can use it with a heavy hand, I can use it with a light hand. It's going to work, it's going to do the job all the same, and that's super important for me. As far as this is looking right now and feeling, I feel like it's just going to do the exact same thing. It's very lightweight under my eyes. I do not feel it at all. I don't feel like I added anything extra underneath there, and that's very important to me as well. So I would say this right now, first impressions, I really, 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 really like this powder. If you were thinking about trying this powder, you definitely should try it at least once. The originals have minis. They don't have minis for this yet, but I'm pretty sure they probably come up with them soon. But I would say try it. Give it a chance and see. Thank you for watching this video. As always, guys, if you liked it, give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what your favorite setting powder is at the moment. And as always, I'll see you in my next one. Bye.